the JBuds Air Executive. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the new JLaB JBuds Air Executive earbuds. These are geared towards the business and traveling segment as it provides a more formal style along with better microphones. This was sent out for me to review, and as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the standard user guide and various sizes of ear tips from the silicone to the foam tips. You also get cush fins which are installed on the earbuds. On the inner flap of the box, it details the touch controls, so you can see how to navigate the playback and call controls. It's pretty straightforward, along with the package contents. The earbuds feature 6 hours of listening time, 24 plus hours with the case. C3 calling, which allows for clear calls. One mic eliminates the surrounding noise and the other mic picks up your voice. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, USB charging, and it's IP55 sweat and water resistant. The case is very nice, and it's a combination of a plastic shell lined with a leather top and bottom. And you can see the JLaB branding on the top. It's a very professional look. On the front of the case, you have the charge indicator lights, and on the bottom you have a built-in USB charge input. The built-in cord is very convenient, so you don't have to worry about forgetting or losing any cables, and it just locks into place. The top of the case just flips open, and the lid is a hard plastic. The earbuds are also held into place by magnets, so they won't easily fall off. And you can see the charge indicator LEDs. The earbuds are light and have a stem design like the AirPods. You can see the ear indicators on the bottom of each earbud. Each of the earbuds feature the following: touch controls, LED indicator, microphones, interchangeable cush fins, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. And using the touch controls is just a matter of tapping on the outside. This will control the playback and call controls. And here are the earbuds side by side. These also have the 3 EQ settings. It's a matter of tapping on the left side and you can cycle through JLaB Signature, which will give you amplified vocals and bass, balance for even sounds and no enhancement, and bass for amplified bass and sub-bass. The case comes in at 2.2 by 2.2 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at roughly 62 grams, and the earbuds come in roughly at 13 grams. And now for a microphone sample. This is a test of the JBuds Air Executive microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Call quality is very clear and loud. Other parties had no issues hearing me during calls. If you want to use the earbuds in mono, it will only work with the right earbud. Testing it with an iOS device, I didn't experience any latency while watching videos, and range was very good. Here are my thoughts on the JBuds Air Executive. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. I found them to be very comfortable, and it forms a nice seal in your ears. The cush fins also help in providing additional support. Build and quality is pretty good. I like the form factor of the earbuds along with the touch controls that are very responsive. The leather on the charging case is also a nice touch, along with the built-in cord. When it comes to the sound, JLaB didn't disappoint. Starting off with the lows, I found that the bass was just enough for me. It had nice, punchy bass, and it didn't get muddy. Mids and highs were very good. Vocals and instruments come in very clean and clear. It's not too bright sounding, but just balanced throughout. And if you cycle through the EQ settings, it can definitely change the sound profiles. It can get pretty loud and I didn't experience any distortion. And testing it with various music genres, it was a pleasant listening experience across the board. So overall, I think these are a good pair of earbuds for the price point. With these targeting the business crowd in mind, I think it will provide some good value with the microphone performance, battery life, EQ settings, and the IP rating. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.